Hi, my name's Eric Wyman with Wyman Plumbing, and today we're in Surprise, Arizona in the community of Royal Ranch. So the homeowner here, he had his water heater fail, and after calling us out to make repairs on it, comparing the prices, he decided that now would be the best time to upgrade to a tankless water heater. Some of the advantages to a tankless water heater, it will heat your water a lot faster and you will not run out of hot water. Tankless water heater, as soon as you fire it up, that's when it's gonna run and burn the fuel. So it's a lot more efficient than a normal tank style heater. And the tankless water heater also saves you an enormous amount of space. As you can see here, the entire pedestal in this area of the garage is taken up. Another great advantage to it is that when this thing busts, you're gonna have water go all over your garage, damage your pedestal, damage your drywall. With the tankless heater, it's not gonna do that. So a normal tank style water heater, you'll get here in Arizona between 6 and 12 years out of your unit. With a tankless water heater, with the right maintenance, keeping up with flushing it yearly, you'll get 20 plus years out of it.
Hey, it's always a good day at Wyman Plumbing, especially when I get to work with my son.